I just want to remind you of some things to do for springtime. We have pre-emergence over here. I've got two different kinds. One lasts 4 to 6 months, and one you need to put down every 90 days. If you haven't already put your pre-emergent out, you have probably seen henbit, dandelions coming up. It is time to get that pre-emergent down. You'll also need to come in for some post-emergent to take care of those weeds that have already come up. Make sure that you take care of any last minute leaves that have fallen off the trees up around your home. We have leaf scoops that you come and get your leaves up a lot easier. This is the time of the year that you've got squirrels and rats still trying to get up into your attic and stuff. The squirrels are trying to make a nest for their babies. So we have lots of repels off, fox, bobcat, and coyote urines to take care of those situations. This is the time to get your yard cleaned up. Get ready for your gardens, those beautiful flowers that we like to plant at this time of year. Have a great time and enjoy spring. Thank you.